Remember when everyone screamed, "Trump wins, this coin moons"? Well, reality hit hard. A lot of people are holding heavy bags right now. I've been watching this coin for a while, and honestly, the noise out there is just hype or baseless FUD. So I asked Gemini AI, the most advanced model, to crunch the numbers. No feelings, just raw data, no bullshit. What's up, guys? Mooney here, and today you're listening to Money Talks. For those new here, we're looking at TRUMP on Solana, the official PolyFi coin. It was the star of the show earlier this year, but now, let's see if it's a discount or a trap. I pushed Gemini to be completely objective, no sugarcoating allowed. And spoiler alert, the AI has pretty high confidence that the future trend is, well, you might not like hearing this, but if you want to protect your portfolio, stick around. All right, let's look at the brain of this analysis. Check the daily chart. You don't need to be a genius. See this yellow line? It's below the blue line. That's a death cross. Buying momentum is dead. Weekly view is worse. It's strictly lower lows. It's a staircase leading straight to the basement. Gemini calls this a solid bearish structure. Market sentiment? Gemini detects extreme fear. Whales and smart money left the building right after the trade tariff announcements. Liquidity is dry, mostly just retail hoping for a miracle now. And here's the ticking time bomb. Fundamentals are scary. There's a massive token unlock, 20% of supply coming in January 2026. That's 60 days away. Imagine that supply flooding a weak market. Supply shock is real. Biggest red flag? This is a narrative coin. The election is over. The hype is stale. Without a new catalyst, this risks becoming a zombie coin. So, here is Gemini's final verdict for the next 30 days. The probability of it being bearish is 60%. The price target could hit $4.30. That's a 37% drop from here. Why? Investors dumping for year-end tax loss harvesting. Bullish probability is only 15%. Sideways, 25%. Confidence level, 4 out of 5, meaning Gemini sees this data as conclusive. Data doesn't lie, hype does. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just the messenger bringing you the AI's data. The decision is in your hands. Do your own research. What do you guys think? Is the AI too pessimistic, or is this the bitter pill we need to swallow? Drop a comment. Let's check back in a month to see who was right. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next AI breakdown. Peace out.